What's going on, guys? My name is Ethan. I'm a decent Kakuro player, and today we're back with another hard Kakuro puzzle. We're going to play the weekly bonus one. It's going to be this one, 12 by 14. Let's see what it looks like. All right, what do we start with? Okay, so 4 and 6. The good thing about this is that 4 is only 1, 3, and 6 can't be 3s. So this one is definitely a 1. This one's definitely a 3. This one's definitely a 5. Good start. This is 7, 9. This is 8, 9. Let's check if one of them doesn't need 8 or 9. They do need 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, here 17 is 8, 9, and this is a 9, so it's obviously an 8. This is a 9. This is a 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. 21 is 6. 1, 2, 6 is 21. So what we have here. This. Okay, so 28 can only start with a 4, and this is a 6, so this is 4 or 5. This is 1 or 2. This is 1 or 2. So any option that doesn't have 1 or 2 is irrelevant. We just write it off. This is 8, 9. Do you need 8, 9? Okay, if this is 8, 9, this option doesn't have 8, 9. It just doesn't work, right? So this is the 8 and 9 of it. Let's point it out. So the rest of the things, it's either the 8 or the 9. The rest of the things are 1 to 6. Let's see if it helps me. It doesn't. This is 1, 2. Both of them have 1, 2. So 6 is 1 to 3, 7 is 1 to 4. This means that this can only be 1 or 2. Can't be a 3 because it's a 7, can't be a 4 because of the 6. And this can actually be 1 to 4. Never mind. This can't be a 4. Look, 11 is always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there has to be a 4 in 7, so this one is the 4. Amazing. This is 1, 2. Let's point it out. What do you need here? 1, 2 is 100% necessary, and then 6 to 9. All right. Everything can be anything. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's write it off. This is 1. No, wait. This 1 to 7. Okay, this is a good one. 23 is always 6, 8, 9, and this can't be a 7. Well, both of them can't be a 7, actually. Okay, so 6, 8, 9, this means that this is 6 or 8. This can be a 9, obviously. So it's 1, 3. Naturally helping. 6, 8, 9, 6. Okay, good. This can be a 9. This is 6, 8. Amazing. So this one has to be the 9. And this is the 5. Then we connect it with 24, 7, 8, 9. Let's see. What do they offer? All of them can offer 7, 8, 9. Let's point it anyways. This is 1 to 6. Oh, this is good. So after we play the 9, it's only 1 to 6, and we have this 28, which is 4 and up. So this is 4, 5, 6. Now if we look at the 28 again, the only options that have two numbers that are 4 to 6 is this. So this one is not an option, so it's 5, 6, 8, 9. 5, 6, 8, 9 means that this can't be a 4 and this can't be a 4, which means that this can only be a 5. This is a 1, this is a 6. And then we're left with 8 and 9. This one can't be a 9, so that has to be an 8. So this one is a 9, and then it solves this. This is a 6, this is a 1, and this is a 1. This is 6 and 8 and a 1. Alright, that was beautiful. Good sequence. Now, here it's 1 to 5 now. 1 to 5. Good. If it's 1 to 5 and this 29 can only start with a 5, this one has to be the 5. And then it leaves me here with 7, 8, 9. All right, this can only be 7, 9. And this can be anything, 7, 8, 9. And this one is interesting. So it could be 7, 8, 9. Now if we look at it, at the 19, it has to take this spot, like the four. It has to take this spot has to take the fourth spot, which means that the rest are 1 to 6, because the 6 can be here. Obviously not a 5 because we have it. And now look at the. Okay, actually that's not really the second spot because the third spot is also here. I was thinking about the 3, 4, but it doesn't really work. Oh, okay, this is good. No, it's not 100% here. No, it is 100%. All right, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. If we look at the 27, we see that it can only be 3 to 9. So this one can only be 3 to 9. Now we do need something, like if we look at this column, we have 1 to 3. So I wanted to assume that this one is not the first column, but there's a 3 there. But it can't be a 3. It can't be a 3 because... Hold on, I confused myself. What do I want to say? I confused myself with trying to explain myself. Okay, wait. So what I wanted to say, I wanted to say that this column, that this one is not the first column here. This one. And it definitely can't be 1, 2, right? Because it can only be a 3. And it can't be the 3 because if it's the 3, then this is the 7 and this is the 4, but this one can't be the 3, 4. So if this is in this option, if this is the 7, and obviously it is the 7, then I need to somehow divide 3 and 4 here, and it's impossible. So this one is not even a real option, which means that this one has to be 1 or 2, and this is the rest. And the rest is 3, 4, and 6. That was tough to explain for some reason. 3, 4, 6. This is the two first columns. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 3, 4 only. Good. Okay, and now we again have the same thing where we have two options, like two squares that have to be between 3 and 6. It doesn't have this one as an option, so it's not 3, 7, 8, 9. And now we don't have a 3 here, so that means that we remove the 3's, and that means that this is 100% a 4, it's 100% a 6. Beautiful. This means that this is 1, 7. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're popping. All right. What is this? 8, 9. So this one can't be a 7. 8, 9. Now we see this has to be an 8, 9, but this can't be a 9. So it has to be the 8. 9. Now it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. This can be 1, 2, 3, 4. What about this? This can only be 2, 3, 4. What about this? This one can, and this. This one can also. Okay, this is 7, 9. Oh, this is great. This is just 7, and this is just 9. What about this? 1, 2, great. This is 2. This is 1. Should have checked it before. I don't know why I didn't. This is 5, 7, 8, 9. Which is not really helpful. 5, 7, 8, 9. Hold on, 5, 7, 8, 9. There's already 7, 9. This means that it's only 5, 8. Okay. Narrows down some options. Okay, so 29. What's left? Oh, this is good. This is good. Look at this. We need 1, 2, 3. This one can't be a 1. This one can be a 1, so this one has to be the 1. Now 2, 3 on the other hand, have no idea. Okay. What else do we have? 20. Okay, this is 8, 9. So this 9, this 8. And this is a 7. What are we missing here? We're missing a 2. 2 has to be 100% here, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. What can be a 2? All of the above. This is 1, 2, 3 because of the 6. Now if we have 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, 3, 5. That expands it a little bit. We don't want that. We want it to be more focused on certain numbers. Okay, so if this is a 2, 3, this definitely can be 4, 5, 7. It's not really. Okay, 2, 3, so this takes this column. And then it's 4 to 9 for the rest. 4 to 9, this is an 8. So 4 to 9 is only 4, 5. So it's better. This one has to be the 4, 5. And if it has to be the 4, 5, if the answer doesn't have a 4, 5, it's not the answer. So 2, 5, 3, 5. And then the rest should be 8 or 9, which is this. Great. 8, 9. Now any answer that doesn't have 8, 9 is irrelevant. If this is 8, 9, the rest are 1 to 6. 1 to 6. So 3, 5, 6. 1 to 6 here. This can be a 1. This can be anything as well. What else is here? What else is here? Okay, let's look at this. So if it's 4, 5, oh, this is good. If this is 4, 5, this has to be 1 to 3. But this can only start with 3, so this is a 300%, and then this makes this one a 4, this one is a 1, and this one is a 3, and this one is the 9. 2. That was great. No, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here it can only be 6. So if this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this can only be a 6. It can be 4, 6, but 4 is irrelevant. This one is the 6 then, this one is the 5. And then we're missing 1, 2, 3 here. We have 1, 2 here already, so it's a 3. And we have 1 and 3 here, so it's a 2. And this one is a 1. Great, let's try to finish this side. Let's try to finish this side. This is okay, good. 16 now is left with 1, 2, 3, 4. We already have 1, 2, 3 here. This one is the 4. Now this is 1, 2, so this one is a 3. This is the 1, so this is the 2. And this is just a 1. Amazing. Keep going, 7, 8, 9. Need to figure this out now. Okay, this can only be 7, 9. Because of the 8, and this can be 7, 8, 9, but this is 7, 8, 9. This takes this column. No, it can also take this one. Problem. This one is 2, 3. Is it allowed? It is allowed. And this one is also 2, 3. What about this? Okay, 8, 9. This one is the 8 and 9 of it, and then we need 4 to 6. 4 to 6. So 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Okay, still unclear. If we look at this, okay, this is pretty good. If we look at these options here, we have to have a 1 on this 36. Now these are not ones. This is not a 1, this is not a 1, which means that this is 100% the 1. Process of elimination, guys. Always process of elimination. 5, 6, 7. Can we figure this out? This can be 5, 6, 7. What about this? 5, 6, 7, and this, I guess also. Let's just write it down and then we'll come to it probably later, or maybe we'll look at it now just a little bit more. So 2, 3. What about this? What can this one be? This can be 3, 4, 6. If this is 3, 4, 6. This is 3, 4, 6. What can I get out of it? What can I understand out of it? First of all, 21, it has to have a 1 or the 2. So if we can find a way to say that this is not possible, we can say that this is 1. Wait, hold on, then I'll tell you something better. If none of these are 1s, and this one can't be a 1 because of this one, it means that this is actually the only option. Oh, that's amazing. If this is 2, 3, this is also 2, 3. Right, because if this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, if this is 3, this is 2. Or the other way around. But this can't be a 2 because of this one. So this one is a 3. This one is a 2. This, and then we just complete whatever is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So this one has to be the 7. And then 4, 5. This one is the only 4 possible. 4, 5. What else? 4, 6. 4, 6. Unfortunate. 6, 7. Okay, wait, hold on. This is a 9. This is an 8. This is a 9. What's missing? 5. It's missing 4 and 6. This is the 6. This is the 4. This is the 7. And this is left with 6, right? Yep. We actually finished this side. Good. We're close. We're close or closer. Okay, 1 has to be in this 38. This one can be a 1. This one can be the 1. This one is the 1. Which makes this one the 2. Which makes this one the 1. Let's look at this one again. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. If I look at this 1, 3, 4. If I look at this 1, 3, 4, I already see that this one can't be a 3 and can't be a 4, which means that this is not the option. So it's 2, 5. This can't be a 5. This can only be a 2. So this one is a 2, and this is the 5. Now this one is missing 6, 7, 8, 9. This can be 6, 7, 8. Which means that this, if it's 6, 7, 8, this is 9, 8, 7, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay, this is 3, 5. Because of the 11, but let's look at it later. 25 missing 3, 4, and 8, 9. Now, if this is 6, 7, 8, if it took this column, then this one, this square, can't be the 8, 9. So it has to be the 3, 4, which means this has to be the 8, 9. Okay, we're getting closer. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. What can this one be? 3, 5. Now, this is unfortunate that the 5 is an option. I really wanted to avoid 5s there. Yeah, I really wanted to avoid 5s, fortunately. So this one is also 3, 5. Now let's see what's the options here. Any option here should have a 7, 8, 9 into 8, 9. Like 2 of this of 7 to 9. Any option that doesn't have it, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. 6, 9 is not an option. This is not an option. Any 6s there as a second column from the right is not an option. Okay. Okay. Now let's go further. I actually don't have 6 here at all, which means that any 6 is just erased. So that makes this 2 columns for the 7, 8, 9. And then we have 1 to 5. Can I do anything with it? You know what I want to check? Actually, I checked 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is a 1, 2, hold on. Gotcha. This has to have a 1. This has to have a 1. Again, this is solving so much in this puzzle that this is the only spot that can have a 1. So it has to be the 1, and then it's like a domino. It will go 1 by 1 now. This is the 2, so this is the 5, this is the 3. This is the 8, right? Yep. And this is the 7. This one I wasn't sure about. 8, and we finished this as well. Amazing. All right, let's keep going. What else do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, then this can only be a 2. This definitely has to be a 2. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 7, 9, 9 here. Can it be 6 and 8? It can. So 6, 8. Here, 6, 7, 8, 9. It can only be 6, 7, 8. This one, on the other hand, can only be a 6. So we take that as a 6, which means that this is the 8, this is the 7, and this is the 9. Good. 35 is 5 to 9. 35 is 5 to 9. 15 is 1 to 5, which means that 5 is the only number that works with both of them. Here, this one needs 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure which one is the 1. So it's 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Sure. This one is the 5. Because if this is 5, 7, 8, 9, this 7, 8, 9 is already here. What's missing? 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. Okay, 3, 4, 6 is, first of all, this only can be a 3, 4. Can be a 6 here. What about this? This can also be only 3, 4. Look at this. This is beautiful. This can only be 3, 4. There's no 6 as an option. So if both of these are 3, 4, this one has to be the 6. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Can be the 8. This can be the 8. This one is 7, 8, 9. We also know that. For them too. Three, 4, 5, 7. We already have the 3, 4. The first 3, 4. What else? 3, 4. What am I missing? What am I missing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this might work with a 19. 19 starts. No, maybe it just doesn't. What about 37? There's sort of a line here, but it doesn't really work. So if this one 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, because they don't have ones in them, and I need a 1 here, but both of these can be ones. That's a problem. Okay, 19. 2, 3, 4. First of all, this one is not an option. Then it's 6 to 9 with the other ones. 6 to 9 and 6 to 9. Here 6 to 9 is 6 and 8. And here 6 to 9 is 6, 7, 8. Okay, so any option with a 9 doesn't work, because there's actually no 9s here. Which means that it's actually only a 4. It can be 2 and it can be 3. This is good. 4, and then it's any option with a 9 is not working, so it's 7, 8, 7, 8. This one has to be the 8, because there's no 7 there, and this is 7. Amazing. Let's keep going. 6, 8. 6, 8. Okay. Wait, 6, 8, and 7, 8. 6, 8, 7, 8. It has to be the two right side columns, which means the 6, 9 is not an option. 7, 8 is an option. So we have 7, 8, 6, 8, and 6, 7. Everything is an option here. Fortunately, this one is different. Three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 3, 4, 5, but there's already 5, so this one is a 3, 4. Great. If these are 3, 4, these are 1, 2s. And since this is a 2, this one has to be the 1. Great, keep going. 3, 4, and this one is also 3, 4. That's what's missing. What happened to the 1 here? Did I not put it? Why can't it be a 1? Oh, because of this. It can be a 1 and it can be 2, 4, so it's 3, 1, 4, 3. Great. 6, 7, 8, 9 again. But there's 7, 8, 9 here, so this one has to be the 6. This one is the 8. This one is a 6, 7, 8. What's missing? A 9, a 2, and a 5. Okay, we're almost ready. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4. All right. Now 28. Okay, good. It solved everything because it can be 3. It can only be 4. So 4, 3. Just look at this domino. 4, 3. Great. What's missing? 8, 9. More 8, 9s on the top here. What's now? Okay. So this is again the two columns on the right, and any option that doesn't, and it's 7 to 9. So any option that is below is not relevant. So 7, 9 or 7, 8. It means that it has to be the 7. We just put the 7 here, and then it's either 7, 9 or 7, 8. 7, 9 or 7, 8. As simple as that, and then we just need 1, 2, 3, 4 for the rest. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, I can't do 1, 2, 3, 4. I can only do 1, 2, and 4. Because then if it's 3, it's 2 3s. 1, 2, 4 means that this is 2, 4, 5. 2, 4 goes with a 2, 4, 5 goes with a 1. And now we need to figure out how to play from here. I also need a 1 for the 8. The 8 has to have a 1. It can be provided here theoretically. What is here? 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7 means that this is only a 4, 5. Let's check options. Good. So it's only 4. It's 4 and the 8. Okay. 8, 9, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5. Which means this one is not a 2 anymore. It can only be 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, if this is a 4, 5, that means that this one is not an option. There's no 4, 5 here. This is 4, 5. This is the second color from the left. And then we're missing 2, 3, and 6, 7. Now this one can't be 6, 7, so this one has to be the 2, 3. This one is a 6, 7. But it can be 7. No, it can be 6. So it has to be 7. Five, 4. No, 2, 3 can only be a 3. A 1, a 2, and a 4. Great one. 30 minutes. Great hard puzzle. Pretty cool. I like this ones. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, write something in the comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow. I'm gonna see you in a couple of days. I upload this twice a week. Going to see you with the easy one. We're going to play a bunch of easy ones just to do it as quick as possible. Let's go like that and have explanations as well. So see you then, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.